So interesting, because you said to me, what's the difference between invasive and aggressive? Basically, because we were talking about the wild violet, which you have everywhere, and it's going all in your beds and stuff. That's native. So it cannot be, by definition, it cannot be invasive. But it can be aggressive. So, but things like black swallowwort, Japanese knotweed, any of the tree of heaven, goutweed, all of the stuff where you can just rattle off in Massachusetts 72 different species are classified and designated as invasive by a state agency. So we don't get to decide whether things are invasive. That's done for us by other people or by an agency. But we can certainly say something that's native is aggressive, and whether you decide to keep it or not or have it in your beds is another matter. So there we go.